Good morning, my dear students. It's really a beautiful morning today. I hope you have a really beautiful morning as well. So, again, I welcome you to our e learning. Today, we are going to talk about English. So, again, this is Miss Divina, your speaker for today. In preparation, we need to consider the following. First, again, you need to prepare your pencil and paper. Second, stay in a quiet place for conducive learning. Third, listen attentively. Fourth, listen to your mom as she guides you. Fifth, ask a question if you are in doubt. And lastly, don't forget to enjoy the activities. To start with, let us consider the following objectives. At the end of the discussion, students are able to first, to identify long E vowel sound, and lastly, to read and write sentences using the long E vowel sound. Alright, my dear students, I have prepared
Pushes
here
and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. So when you push with force, things move away. They'll move back to you when you pull. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak. A force can change an object's motion. A stronger force makes bigger change. Pushes and pulls change how things move. Forces can go in different directions. Pushes and pulls can be strong or weak.
Let's chant the long E sound. E as in bee, E as in green, E as in tree, E as in sheep. E, 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 E. This is the long E sound. Let's chant the long vowel sounds. A as in cake, I as in 5, O as in rose, U as in tube, E as in bee. A, I, O, U, E. These are the long vowel sounds. Let's chant the long E sound. E as in bee, E as in green, E as in tree, E as in sheep. E, 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 E. This is the long E sound.
Alright, so now that you are able to listen to the sound,
Let's chant the long vowel sounds. A as in cake, I as in 5, O as in rose, U as in tube, E as in bee. A, I, O, U, E. These are the long vowel sounds.
in order to reveal our lesson for today, we need to decode the words in here. So in decoding the following words in here, we need to look at the guide below. So there are some numbers here from 1 to 10. So in each number, it represents a letter. So I have here the puzzle, the three tables here, which colored green and yellow. So the first table, there the numbers are 7, 2, 8, and 10. So what do you think is this word? So we need to crack the code. So the number 7 stands for letter L. And number 2 stands for letter O. And the number 8 stands for letter N. And the number 10 stands for letter G. So what word did it come up? It is long. Can we read it together? Long. Now let's proceed to the next table. What are the numbers? We have here 4 and 4. So what letter is number 4? So it is letter E. So we need to put again letter E. So this is the sound E. It is E. Can we say it? E. And then the next table, what is this word supposed to be? Can we reveal it? Can we crack the code? Number 1 is letter S. Number 2 is letter O. And number 9 is letter U. And number 8 is letter N. And number 3 is letter D. So now that we are able to crack the code, now we are ready to read it. What would be our lesson for today? What would be our objective for today? So today we're going to talk about long E sound. Can we say it? Long E sound. So you're going to read the double E as E. Okay? E. It's a long E. Alright, so let's proceed to see the following words or to identify the words, the vocabs that has long E sound. Are we ready? Okay. Alright, my dear students, I believe we are now ready to get familiarize ourselves for the long E sound. I'll repeat, long E sound. The first word is heels. Next is tree, seed, green, peel, sheep, feet, bee, cheek. So these are some of the words that belong to long E sound. Now, can you please follow after me as I read the word? Heels, tree, seed, green, peel, sheep, feet, bee, and lastly, cheek. So please, my dear students, please familiarize yourself with the pictures and at the same time, please put in your mind the words. And later on, we're going to use these words to create our own sentences. Now, my dear students, that we were able to familiarize ourselves with the long E vowel sound, now I would like to challenge you to use those words in creating your own sentence. So this time, I want you to bring your own pencil and a paper. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to prepare for that. Okay, so at this point, I want you to identify first the picture and at the same time read the word, and then after that you're going to write your own sentence using that word. Okay, are you ready? So the first picture is tree. Now I give you 1 minute to create your own sentence. And the second picture is sheep. Now write your own sentence. And the third picture, feet. Okay, let's proceed to the next. The first picture, any guess what does it mean? Okay, what color is it? Okay, so the color or the word is green. Next picture, seed. And the third, peel. Now I will give you again another 1 minute to create your own sentence. And all right, and for the next picture, can you tell its name? You're right, it's a bee. And the last picture, chick. Now I'm going to give you an ample time to create your own sentence. And later on, you're going to present it to me by reading your own sentence. Okay? Is it clear, my dear students? Activity time. Okay, in order to assess if you really understood the lesson, let's now proceed to our activity. Alright, so basically this is just a continuation to your activity a while back. It's just that it is purely performance-based activity which is called show and tell. It is very simple to do. You just need to look around in your house and bring an object that has a long E vowel sound and describe and tell something about it. You need to record yourself and send it to me in class dojo. Good luck. And that's all for today. And I hope you enjoyed it. And at the same time, you'll learn from it. And I hope you're able to apply it into your day to day life. And yeah, that's all for today. And until next session around, see you there.